June 2012 Core 3 question 4. A standard integration by parts to begin with, and then we've got a volume of revolution to do. I've not got the room here, so I'll just scroll down here. I've started it here. We're trying to do the integral of x e to the x, x e to the 6x. So we're starting off with u equal the easier bit, the x, and the other part is dv by dx equals e to the 6x. If you differentiate this one, nicely goes down to 1, and we integrate this. Well, e's stay the same, e to the 6x, but we've got to divide by this number here as well, so we've got 1/6 of it. So what's our integral going to become? It becomes u times v minus the integral of the two things you just worked out, which is 1 times 1/6 of that. So the by parts rule doesn't do the integral for us, it just makes it simpler, and we now have a simpler one to do. We've got to do this integral. E to the 6x stays as e to the 6x, but we've got to divide by another 6. So 1/6 divided by another 6 is 1 over 36, and I'll stick a plus c over there for good measure as well. Second part then is now our volume of revolution, and the volume of revolution formula needs memorizing. It's the integral of pi y squared dx. And where we're going from here, we're going from 0 to 1. Let's put that in as well, from 0 to 1. Let's do some work here. We need to find out what y squared is. We know what y is. It's the square root of x e to the 3x. Move that out of the way. Please. No, won't let me. I can. And what I want to do now is actually want to square this thing. So I'll take my time on this because a lot of people got this wrong. I've got square root of x e to the x times by itself, square root of x e to the 3x. So of course, square root of x times the square root of x is x, and e to the 3x, well, you add the powers here, we've got e to the 6x. Hang on a minute, haven't we seen that before? There, nice linking back. So the integral we're trying to do is the integral between 0 and 1 of y squared of this thing here, dx. But thankfully, we've done it already, so we don't need to do that. Let's extend the page even further. Move that out of the way. So what have I got now? That this is going to be pi, and this integrates to give this thing here. X over 6 e to the 6x minus 1 over 36 e to the 6x, and we're doing that between 0 and 1. Keeping the pi outside, we'll just put it in at the end. Let's put the 1 in. So we've got 1/6 e to the 6 minus 1/36 e to the 6. And we've got to take away, sticking a 0 in there, that's actually going to give us 0, but sticking a 0 in here, it's going to give us another minus 1 over 36. Altogether here now then, what have we got? We've got a pi, and here we've got, well, 1/6 minus 1 over 36 on the calculator if you have to, but that's giving us 5 over 36, and we've got a minus here, so we've got a plus 1 over 36 here, and actually I'm just going to leave the pi outside because it does say, does it say exact? Let's go up and have a look. What does it say? Give your answer in the form pi, oh yeah, I've done that, pi something e to the 6 plus something else. That's exactly what we did. Something e to the 6 plus something else. Mark scheme. Yeah, just what I've got. And examiner's report.